Hello. So I'm going to show you how to set up these ELD connection devices for your Volvo. This thing works on Volvo 2014 and up, I think. So as you probably know, when you receive the cable, it comes. I'm going to disconnect it and connect it so I can show you. So I'm just gonna remove this one. Okay, I can do it with one hand. There you go. And this is the piece I removed from here. This is like let's just see if I can get rid of it. One hand. Remove this. So when you first open this is gonna be in here. This thing's gonna be in here, right? And this is 2018 Volvo Summer. So this is a the power cable, or the power plug is right here. This is a power plugs, and it comes in. Let's see if I can remove it. Okay, so they say it works on, you can plug into any one of these, but I plug into number second and it works. So you basically try to get just plug in, just get that, kind of push it like that. See how this two white, this goes around, and it you just kind of push it in very gently, and it's plugged in. And then these two things you have. So the way it go is you take this out and then you put it in here, plug it into there. Okay, you take this out, you plug it into here, and then you plug this and this together, and that is the whole setup. And then I'm going to show you how I get the wires to go through here without having to drill any. I don't want to drill or put a hole in any part of this truck, because I wanted to sell this truck later on, and I don't want to have any visible damage to the truck. So I'm going to take this out. To take it out, push this down, and then just kind of pull, and then put it in here. That's it. This is done. And then this goes plug into that one. Oh, it's kind of weird setup, but that's how. And then you just plug it. Let's see, plug into this. Hard to do with one hand while recording, but we're gonna make it happen. So this, yeah, there you go. These, where is this? There you go. There you go. Show you. Put it in and then just kind of gently push it back. Boom. And that's set up. You see how the light comes on? I connect this. I kind of connect this beforehand. But so the way the wire works, I made a mistake. But I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Because I want to get it for this wire to come out from one of these plugs. You know, a lot of times most trucks, they have these holes where they're not using it, you know, or even if they have this cover on it, you just push it, it's gonna come out. And so I just pushed this one out. I don't know where it went, but so I need this wire to, I'm gonna take and unplug the whole thing, and I'm gonna put it through here, and I want this whole wire to be inside here. So let's work on that. Let's take this out, unplug this thing, and then this whole thing's gonna go through here. Through here. It's like an extra space. It's not using it. It's not being used, so I'd rather have this thing is the wire goes through here than having to drill holes on to the part of the truck. It's supposed to be coming out. Okay, it's coming out. And then push this one out too. It's right here, so just there's not enough room for my hand to get in. That's the problem. I'm just gonna grab this and then push it through here. Don't twist anything. And then the main goal is to get it through here. This is the power cable. And then I'm gonna reconnect everything. And so basically that's how this is gonna go. It's gonna cable. Perfect. I'm gonna round this. Get that out. So basically this is supposed to come through this hole, but I don't need that, so I'm just gonna use that hole for some other purposes. And then the wire, this is how the wire is gonna go. These wires, perfect. You know, that's how it's gonna be. Minimize amount of wire hanging around, and the rest of this wire is gonna be inside here. You know, however it is, it's gonna be inside here. You know. Okay, so that's that. Now I just need to reconnect everything. Let's connect this one into here. The power goes back. Boom, boom, we're good. Let's connect this. So the way this connect is, this gotta be connecting like this. Okay, perfect. And then the power, and then the light comes on. So that's it. And then these things ready. However you can comfortably keep these things in here, you know, where you can close these doors of these. That's what I'm gonna do. Close. See, I don't want to drill anything on this thing, so that's the whole purpose of me doing it like that. And now I'm just gonna close it just like it was before. Hopefully, what is going on here? Oh, this wire is, put this wire over there. There you go. This wire needs to be pushed down somewhere in here. This is not gonna keep the thing from closing. Oh, sure. What the hell? Oh, you see that? That thing is blocking the... Okay. What is skipping this thing from closing? Oh. What? There you go. What the hell? It's closed now. Okay, everything's good now. And then whatever, where I put this, it's right here. It goes in, and then it pops this out. I don't know where it goes. I have to find that, but basically I hope you have some understanding of how these things works, and that's it. Just push this thing, closes, this thing closes, and that's how it goes.